Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a MONOLOPHOSAURUS. Now I hope I said that right because I know that's a long name and I might not have pronounced it right. But anyway, I hope you guys really enjoy this drawing video of this dinosaur, and if you guys have any other dinosaurs you'd like me to draw, definitely let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here. We're just going to draw a little line that's just going to go down and then up and back like this for the eye. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to go down and up. And we're going to put a little black dot in here for the pupil. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then down. And we're going to make a little line that kind of curves around here. Next, right here, we're going to make a little line that comes up. And starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down. Starting here, we're going to go down. We're going to curve this and then come to here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve around. We're going to go down, up, and then down here to draw that other part of the mouth. Next, we're going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and that's going to come down here. And we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come right up to here. Next, we'll just take this line all the way down. And we're going to draw a little line right down here. Over here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go down and up, kind of like a little teardrop shape. I'm going to put a little broken line right up here and another little broken line right along here. Next, we want to make the back of the head. So we're going to start here at the eye. We're going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down, and it's going to curve around here. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. I'm going to add a few little curved lines for some wrinkles. And then we're just going to bring this line down a little bit here. Now, starting here, we're going to continue this line down a little farther. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And a little line that's going to go up and down. It's going to come back up for a point, for like a little claw. I'll make another line that comes down and up here. And one more right here, and we're going to go up like this for the hand. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come up here with a little bit of a curve. Next, starting here, we're going to draw this line down a little bit, and then we're going to go up and back down. We're going to start right about here. We want to draw a line that's going to come down, kind of like a nice big curve. Then we'll draw a line that comes straight down. Big line's going to come down to a point and then back. Little line's going to come down and then to a point and then back up. And another one's going to come over to a point and then back. Next, we're going to bring a line that's going to go up and then over. And then we're going to bring a line that's going to curve up to here. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to angle back for the other leg. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down, it's going to curve down, and then come back. Make another one that curves down and back. And we're going to make a nice long line that's going to come down here, and then it's going to go back. Next, we're gonna bring this line up. We're gonna add a little bit of like a little tiny claw right there. We're gonna come up and then in. Now we're just gonna go up and then back like this. And actually that's a little skinny, so I'm gonna bring this down a little farther. And we'll just kind of color over that. Now, starting right up here, we wanna make the back. So I'm gonna draw a line that's gonna come up, and then it's going to go down a little bit, kind of show where the shoulder blade would be. I'm gonna draw a line that's just gonna come right along the back here. Next, I'm gonna draw a line that's just going to curve up. We're gonna come to a point, and we're just going to bring it back down to here. Now, here's our basic shape of our MONOLOPHOSAURUS. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start with the mouth. Let's add the teeth. So this guy doesn't have like really big teeth, but he does have some sharp teeth. So we're going to add some sharp teeth all the way around. We're going to add teeth all the way along here and a couple quick little lines. I'm going to add some long kind of broken lines right around here and a couple of lines right around the eye. Make a few more lines right around here just to show some detail. I'm going to make some broken lines here. And I'm going to add just some quick little lines kind of right around the legs and the arms here. Next, I'm going to draw just a little bit of a broken line right along here. And we're just going to make some little curved lines here. We're going to do this on the toes and on the claws. And then right over here, we're just going to add kind of like a roundish shape, and we're going to add just some quick little wrinkle lines around here. We'll do the same here for the knees. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to go up, and we're going to make a little curved line around here for that other hand. We're going to make another little line that's going to curve up and then come to here. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down, and then one more is going to come up here. We'll add a couple more little curved lines here. Then right along here, we're going to add some long lines, and we're just going to add a quick little kind of curved lines right around here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a MONOLOPHOSAURUS. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.